In order to solve this problem, we first need to remember that distance is equal to rate over time. We then need to look at the problem and recognize that it's an out and back problem, meaning that the distance for the first part of the trip equals the distance for the second part of the trip. That means that the rate and the time multiplied for the first part of the trip equal the rate multiplied by the time for the second part of the trip. We have three pieces of information for that. We don't know the rate, but we know the time for the trip out, and we know the rate for the trip back, as well as the time for the trip back. We can clean up both sides of this equation, and we'll have 10 times the rate of the trip out equals 70, and if we then divide both sides of the equation by 10, we'll get our final answer, which is that the rate of the trip out was 7 kilometers per hour.